Okay, hierarchy of controls. So, ano to, pag magko-control ka daw, ito yung hierarchy. So, against hazard dito controlling yung hazard, yung unang-una yung elimination, yung pagtanggal mo ng hazard. Then, after mong ma-eliminate yung hazard, papalitan mo yung mga bagay na nagkukos ng hazard. Then, isolate people from the hazard, yun yung engineering controls. And then, syempre, bago mo magawa yung administrative controls, yung engineering controls, babaguhin mo muna yung administrative controls and then yung personal protective equipment. Okay? Kasi karamihan dito may PPE nga, may personal protective equipment, pero wala naman yung administrative control, wala naman yung engineering controls, wala naman yung substitution, at wala yung elimination. Kasi porket may personal protective equipment, akala natin pwede. Kaso yung sinabi kanina, yung elimination, substitution, engineering controls, saka administrative controls, lalo na yung administrative controls, wala. Yung administrative controls, yun ang nagko-control sa engineering, sa substitution, saka sa elimination. So, mabuting na pag-aaralan natin lahat yan. So, yun lang po.